Shanghai is a renowned international metropolis drawing more and more attention from all over the world. Situated on the estuary of Yangtze River, it serves as the most influential economic, financial, international trade, and cultural center in East China. Also, it is a popular travel destination for visitors to sense the pulsating development of the country. In addition to its modernization, the city's multicultural flair endows it with a unique glamour. Here, one finds the perfect blend of cultures, the modern and the traditional, and the Western and the Oriental. New skyscrapers and old shikumen together draw the skyline of the city. Western customs and Chinese traditions intertwined and formed the city's culture, making a visitor's stay memorable. Shanghai is a global financial center, and a transport hub with the world's busiest container port. Shanghai is a popular tourist destination renowned for its historical landmarks such as the Bund City God Temple and Yu Garden, as well as the extensive Lujia's Y skyline, many skyscrapers, and major museums including the Shanghai Museum and the China Art Museum.